Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. So in this video, we are going to be unboxing a brand new pair of the Rayban Clubmaster sunglasses. These ones have sort of the blue tinge. I also own the ones that have sort of a red tinge to them and a green tinge. And I just wanted to try something a little bit different. So without further ado, let's get on to the unboxing. Oh, and if you stick around to the end of the video, I will do a comparison and show you what all three pair look like on my rather large head. I'll also give you details in terms of model number, specs, and all that good stuff so that you have it. Anyhow, without further ado, let's get these guys out of the box. All right, cool. So these are the Rayban mirrored and polarized Clubmaster sunglasses. And yeah, and the model number on these is ORB 3716. I believe that 7927 number is also significant. I don't think that 89896 number is, but we'll take a closer look at that in a sec. I'll also show you my other two pair. So typical form fashion, the official Ray-Ban case. This case looks identical, or at least very similar to the case that I received with my last two pair of Rays. I did another video on my channel comparing these guys a while ago, maybe about a year and a half ago, I think. And you guys seem to like it. I typically do tech videos, but where, this is, I guess, kind of, I don't know if it's tech, but tech related. All tech nerds need to have a cool pair of shades. I really only wear Ray-Bans, and I have for maybe the past 10 years. Not that I'm a sunglasses snob. I just like the way that they look. Particularly, I like the way that the Clubmaster series looks. Some of the others I've tried, I have kind of a large head. And some of the others I tried, they just don't look right. So without further ado, I'm excited to get these out of the box. So the mirrored part of it is what I'm sort of concerned about. I don't want them to be super mirrored like, the motorcycle cop sunglasses of the 80s, Ponch and John, that sort of thing. But so we'll just take these things out to tease it a little bit. So they give you, I think this is a catalog, of all of the various sunglasses. Like I said, a lot of those models look kind of funky on my head, so we're not going to go with that. This, I believe, is a simple cleaning kit with a soft cloth to clean the glasses, which is good that they provide that, so that's great news. And then, this is pretty much it. Oh, and I'll just say, I really like them already. And the mirror is there. You can actually see my chandelier up there in the glasses, but it's super subtle. And these have a different look than the other two pair, don't they? So let's just take a look. And yeah, those are classy looking. I really like those a lot. In fact, I'm thinking already these are going to be my go-to. The thing that I like about these is that they're polarized. Whether or not you need polarized is going to depend on your certain situation. I do know that I live on the ocean here, and the reflection of the glare off of the water and so forth. Oh, and then there's me in the mirror. So the mirror is a thing, but looking at the glasses dead on, it doesn't really seem to be like all that dramatic. It doesn't look like a mirror, and that's what I was worried about. So I think that's kind of cool. You can also kind of, check out the hairstyle in the mirror glasses if you want. It does say on the bottom, Chromance, so I believe maybe that's the type of the glasses. I don't have that on my other two pair. I don't know if I like it necessarily, but it is what it is. So if you see what I'm talking about right there, it says, I think that says Chromance. My eyesight's so bad. I do have my readers on even, and my eyesight's still bad. But yeah, and then so here's what the other side looks like. I like the fact that there's black on that, and then you sort of have that gun. I believe that's like gun smoke metal or something. It's a silvery. It's a metallic metal looking color, which is cool. And then you have the two-tone metal to. I guess that's blue. Not black, it's blue, yeah. So, and that's the whole sort of the blue theme of these sunglasses, which I'm actually okay with. I really wasn't sure if I would be, but I think it's cool and a little bit different. So yeah, I'm really liking what I see so far on that. And then, so just to compare it to the other two, so, sort of side by side, we have this guy. I believe that's this one has it's got like a reddish tinge to it, and it's not dramatic. It's not red or pink or even close to it. You can also see me in these. So the mirroring effect on the others is actually quite similar, maybe a little more dramatic. And then the green ones are here. These are my least favorite, actually. I just don't think green is a good color for me on my skin. These are polarized and these are not. So that's the difference. And a lot of times with the polarized ones, with Ray-Bans, they come in green. I don't know if the green color makes it easier to polarize them or whatever, but that seems to be a thing. That's why I like the idea of having these be polarized with the blue, just a little bit different. They are smaller, and I'm wondering if that is actually going to be, you know, sort of a concern, right? So again, I believe these are 7107, and this one is 0957. But what I'll do is I need to have another look on my Amazon account and see what I actually bought. But I'll leave links to all three pairs in the description with the absolute accurate model numbers and titles so that you guys have them for all three pair. But yeah, so off the cuff, I love these, and I think for summertime now, perfect in that they're just a little more fun and just a little bit, you know, a little bit different than my others. And also, you know, the blue is, you know, kind of a oceany summerish color. So I think I can live with that. And then just for, you know, here, let's set these two sides, the other two pairs aside for now. And we'll feature these guys front and center. And so that's what you get along with the handy case. And then in here, so this, looks like, oh, this might just be some additional packaging for, I don't know. Is this from a completely different? Nope, it actually came out of there. I don't know if maybe something was in there. All right, whatever, goodbye. So yeah, so that is basically it in a nutshell. And what I'll do next is I will model, that's usually we're very lightly, all three pair of sunglasses for you guys so you can see what they look like side by side. So stick around for that, and we'll do that next. And yeah, if you have any questions about, you know, the other two pairs, certainly I answer any questions, and even these guys as well. Feel free to drop a comment below. I typically do videos about tech, but I'm also starting to branch out a little bit more into home products and sort of lifestyle stuff for men. If you like this style of video, if you wouldn't mind commenting down below as well, I'd appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind smashing the like button, and I hope to see you in the next video. But stick around, because here I'm going to do a little whoopie-doo, and then I will model them for you. So here we go, whoopie-doo. Okay, so these are the new ones with the blue tint and the two-tone blue and silver, and I like them. I actually like them a lot. I'm not sure how they look on my large head, if they might be a little bit on the smaller side. You guys can comment down below, let me know what you think on that. And I will try the next two on real quick. So the ones with the red tinge Clubmaster and the Clubmaster with the green tinge, just for sake of comparison. And those are not two-tone, they're actually basically in a single color, but these are the blue ones. Okay, and these are my green ones here. Again, you know, slightly scratched. I've had these for over a year now, and they've these sunglasses I have been through some things together. But yeah, so that's what these guys look like. Again, I don't love the green. In fact, I would say these are probably going to be my least favorite of the three once I get the blue ones in rotation, but I'll try the quote-unquote red, the slightly red tinged ones on in a sec. But that's what the greenish ones look like. All right, and these are the ones that have sort of the reddish tints, very, very similar to the blue. In fact, they're nearly identical except for the color of the tinge. And yeah, these have been my go-to for, you know, maybe a better part of a year. It's going to take a little bit of adjustment, at least for myself, seeing the blue ones on me or whatever, because they are a little bit smaller, more funky, but again, I think different and fun for summer. So these are the ones that have the red tinge. And yeah, I hope this video helped you guys. And like I said earlier, I hope to see you in the next video, and cheers.